Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Google account and apps. Sign into the same Google account on your phone and the Google Home device, and install or update YouTube Music plus the Google Home app. Once done, power your speaker and verify it's on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. This matters because Google links music services to the account and network. If they differ, the pairing step won't appear. Now open the Google Home app to begin linking YouTube Music as the default service. In the Google Home app, go to Account or Settings and choose Music Services. This is where you tell your speaker which library to use. Select YouTube Music from the list, then tap Link or Set as Default so voice commands use it automatically. Make sure you grant any permission prompts and verify the account shown is the Google account with your YouTube Music subscription. After confirming, the app syncs preferences to the speaker. This step registers the service and enables voice casting to Google Home. Finish by testing voice playback. Say, "Hey Google, play song or playlist on YouTube Music." If the speaker plays, you're done. If not, make sure your phone and speaker are on the same Wi-Fi, the Google account matches, and both apps are updated, because mismatched accounts or outdated apps are common blockers. Once you've verified those, restart the Google Home device or unlink and relink YouTube Music in the app. That usually resolves stubborn connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.